In this video, we will take you to Ayala Malls Circuit in Circuit Makati. Coming up next. But before we go there, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of new content. If you want to watch our videos about mall walking tours, please click on the link above. Here we go. As I walk inside Ayala Malls Circuit, this huge hall greeted me. This 4-level open-air atrium feels like a first amongst all the malls I have visited so far, and it is such a welcome surprise. As I walk towards in the middle of the mall, the alfresco area continues inwards. Ayala Mall's design always incorporate the balance of alfresco and air-conditioned areas in their malls. In the long run, it is good for the environment, for it will have less electrical energy requirement. The alfresco area continues inwards right until the other side of the mall. Here, mall guests can enjoy the sight of fountains and pools of water in the middle. I know what you're thinking. Swimming is not allowed no matter how inviting the pool may be. In the alfresco side of the mall is where the restaurants are at as well. There are a variety to choose from. These restaurants provide a better ambiance than that of the shops found indoors and makes for a better dining experience. Some shops even offer an alfresco dining, giving guests the chance to feel the breeze and enjoy the outdoors. Now let's go to the air-conditioned side of the mall where all the shopping takes place. Local and international brands are present in the mall, so you will not go home empty-handed. The mall has the Mi department store as their anchor tenant. The mall also has the Shopwise supermarket as another anchor tenant. Aside from shopping, they also have an entertainment hall indoors where events can be held at. On the second level of the mall is the Food Choices food court. Though the time we were there was not a lot of choices, for most of the food stalls have yet to open. The Ayala Malls Circuit is a pet-friendly mall. However, there is this side of the mall where your pets are off limits. It's at the roof deck, and you'll see why in a second. On the roof deck is an open park, and in the middle of the park, there's this faux grass where mall goers can sit and enjoy the sun. During the time of our visit, right before sunset, there's a good crowd lounging there. And on the other side, you can take a glimpse of the Makati skyline. It is always an awesome sight to see. On the roof deck is where you'll find the 4 cinemas as well. And a huge time zone which has a lot of games, billiards, and even bowling. where do you want me to go next? Write on the comment below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.